Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a clipboard manager and granting basic permissions. This saves every copied item so you never lose research. Once installed, set a consistent hotkey and enable history to capture multiple entries. Make folders or tags for research, quotes, and links now, because organized snippets speed drafting. You'll save time by copying while you read. Later, you'll pull exact phrasing into drafts without switching windows, which reduces errors and preserves sources. You should capture text, links, and images into labeled snippets as you research. Include a short title, a tag, and the source URL so you can verify facts later. Once done, group related clips into a draft folder for each post to keep context together, and use the manager's search and filters to retrieve content by keyword or tag. Make sure to prune duplicates and normalize formatting. Clean clips paste consistently into your editor and save editing time. You now paste organized snippets into your draft, alternating plain text for formatting control and rich paste for images or styled quotes. Pick what preserves intent. After pasting, combine and polish sentences, confirm links, and add proper attribution because accuracy builds trust. If clips disappear, check the manager's history limits, app permissions, and sync status first. Once fixed, restore from backup or recycle bin to recover lost items so you can finish the post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.